In this lecture, we're going to explore linking notes to parts in our drawing files. Using linked notes, we can link displayed notes to a previously defined custom property or to a website. To explore how we can link notes, we're going to do the following task. Our boss just gave us this drawing and asked us to note and display the name of the designer for the top cap. You can download the parts, assembly, and the drawing file from the download section linked to this lecture. So let's find out how we can use linked notes to find and display that information. The first thing we'll do is to display a normal note. So I'll go to the annotation tab and select the command note. And then insert this to the top cap. Now we can go to the left where we will see different linking options. So the first option is to insert a hyperlink, and this will enable us to insert a website. So I can just type in a URL here and it will link that to the note. Another linking option next to it is to link to property, and this is the one we're going to use. So let me click on this, and if you do, you're gonna get this window. So we're looking at a custom property from a model found in this drawing, which is already selected. And then in this drop-down menu, I have multiple options as well. In the case we are having now, we're trying to find a piece of information related to the component we have attached the note to. So I'm going to select the last option, component to which the annotation is attached. And if I take this window away a bit, we'll find out that the note is actually attached to the top cap, which we're trying to find the designer of. So I select that option, and here it tells me the selection is the top cap, which is correct. And below that, I can choose the property name. And those are the custom properties the designer have set for that particular part. So under this, I will find an option for designer. And if I select this, I'll get the evaluated value displayed here, which is math matter. I will also have it displayed in the drawing canvas, math matter, and that is the name of the designer who designed this part. So I'll click OK, and then click on the check mark for notes. And this displays our note with the required piece of information, which was the name of the designer of that part, the top cap. Another way for getting that information would be to insert a bill of materials and display custom properties from there. However, sometimes linked notes will be faster and easier for something specific, or it could be that we are required to communicate a piece of information in the form of a linked note. And with this, we conclude this lecture on linked notes. So while we're here, take some time to explore more of this feature.